So guys, welcome back to another video. So I start cooking already. I did not. So guys, that birthday cooking, you know, trying to do what I can do, you know. So this is the curry chicken right here. I still have to put onions, more onion and stuff in it, but I'm not gonna put them in yet, because if you put them in now, they're gonna mash up. Guys, watch rice and peas. I have a little bit of rice and peas over here also. Look there. God, you have to know how much pound your pot can hold, you know. So the amount that I wanted, everything couldn't hold in this pot. So I have to divide it in a 2 pot. I have to put the balance in this one. See, two of them come out with this still and steam a little bit more. What trouble? Them say I can't cook, so I'm gonna have to stay with me here. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. And remember, today is my dad's official birthday. Please remember to leave in the comment section below, happy birthday dad. You know, happy birthday dad, happy birthday dad. I want to see y'all fill up my comment section with that. I must keep y'all tuning to everything. White rice, but I'm doing it in the rice cooker. Rizzo bean, I don't have enough space on the stove, and I don't want to go outside. I have an outside stove, but I don't want to go outside until I'm gonna fry the chicken. Yes, so rice cooker for my white rice. But I don't know, if I'm gonna cook rice and peas on the stove, I must can cook white rice on it. Because them say a rice cooker may use. There's something there that the phone and give me no justice. The curry pretty bad. So I just put in this seasoning. All of my stuff. So I'm gonna leave this to cook for just 10 more minutes, then I'm gonna close it off. 10 minutes to go. Apply good sauce there, and it's a big pot. I tell people, you know, when you say people cannot cook, make sure say you can cook from 20 pounds of chicken up without mess up. The potato salad, that birthday setting, the pan of flimsy, Dollar Tree pan, flimsy, yeah. So guys, I am still in the kitchen and I'm still cooking. I'm almost finished though, then I'm gonna get dressed. So I'm just keeping y'all posted on what I am doing. I just finished with the pasta, so I'm gonna show it to you guys. Yummy! Yummy to my tummy. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe. Guys, and remember to put this comment section with happy birthday daddy, whatever, you know. Yes, so I'm doing some mac and cheese now. My sister is doing the soup. That's goat head soup. We're from the Caribbean. And then I'm gonna do some fried chicken, but I'm finished with the mac and cheese. Then I'm gonna do the fried chicken. Okay, stay tuned. I'll be back shortly. The mac and cheese. Oh, it's gonna be so good. This is gonna be so good. Yes. Yes, look at this. Beautiful, right? Oh. Beautiful.
Only as nourishment for our body. In Jesus Christ's name we pray. Amen.
Amen. Yes, indeed. Yeah. Wow. No. Yes.
And I hope you.
Amen.
they say again? No, so we don't serve again.
Peace out, dude.
Another teddy. Come back to go give a dance. Come on. So we can skip bullets same time. And then that shoot there. Me have video. Party done. Party done. Food over there. Let me change it. Say hi. We're gonna go on YouTube. He's scared. Say hi to the vlog. Hey vlog. No bother. I'm here, Papa Roxy, you know. Shall I know something I go for YouTube? YouTube not good again. I wish I had them stiffer people. Tell me. What? Mr. Maurice. I want to say a big thanks to each and everyone who wish my dad happy birthday. Also, you would not receive this message if you don't watch all the video. And I want to see in the comment section below, thank you, Corey. Thank you, Corey. So I want to know if you watch out all the video. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember the #1 rules: to subscribe, like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend about Life with Corey Class. I'm out. Before I go, this vlog, a lot of thing messed out because I was cooking, then I have to stop for a while. Reason being, I just get a back injection and I'm a bit down, so I have to stop and rest a little, then time catch up on me. So I really didn't get any time to really vlog the whole thing that I really want to show you guys. So most of what I have is just the beginning and the end, you know. Yeah, but still, bless up. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. As I said earlier on, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I'm very tired and I wasn't drinking. I stopped drinking alcohol. I'm just tired. I'm very, very tired. Bye. Love you, Corey gang.